Oh, look at you, actually opening the box. Progress. Now, try to identify the pieces without losing half of them in your shag carpet. If you can't tell the difference between a screw and a dowel, just close the video and call a professional. You're hopeless. Page 6. It's a dowel. You put it in the hole. If you use a hammer and smash the wood, that's on you. Do you need a nap yet? Or can you manage to push these into the pre-drilled holes without crying for help? Time to tighten some screws. Use the provided tool. Don't try to be a hero with your rusted pliers from 1998. If you strip these screws, I'm going to laugh at you in the comments section. Look, it's actually starting to look like a box. Don't get too excited. You still haven't managed to make it sturdy. Watch the alignment, or your cabinet is going to look like it was assembled by a toddler in a windstorm. Mounting the hardware. Try to follow the arrow. I know, spatial awareness isn't your strong suit, but the arrow points to where the screw goes. Don't over-tighten, unless you want the particle board to crack. Actually, go ahead, I want to see the footage. Last step, and you're already sweating. Adjusting the doors? Just turn the screws. It's basic physics. If your cabinet is crooked, it's because you are, not because of IKEA. Congratulations on finishing. Now go put your books in it, and try to feel accomplished.